This is how to make a flying carpet glitch. Looks like we are out of the control. Oh no! Let's get started. First of all, turn off anchor block. Then place a glue block, and on top make a rectangle of any light block. The best size for this glitch is 7 blocks in length and 3 blocks wide, but you can also use the scale tool for this step. Now place any 3 blocks at the back and a servo facing towards the front. Place a gold block on the dark side of the servo. And now place another 3 block, just 3 block away from previous pole. Place another servo facing towards the gold block. Now place a magnet facing towards the servo just like this. You don't need to delete the blocks at the front. Now the pilot seat, of course. And now you are done. Let's try it out. I made the front too short, so it's harder to control, but it's still useful. Easy win. As you can see, you get a lot of money. Like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like that. Thanks for watching.